Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make banana cake. We need overripened bananas. I will show how to make that. We need 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 200 grams of powdered sugar, 200 grams of powdered sugar, 100 ml of milk, fresh milk, here have, from this we must take 4 bananas. These are overripened bananas. 200 grams of extra margarine, half teaspoon, 2 teaspoon of grounds, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now we'll see how to make that. First of all, we must add one teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and add the brown seed. We'll sheave this and take. I sheaved the flour and kept aside. Now we'll make the batter, cake batter. At last we'll peel off the banana and we'll smash it and add to this cake. Add to this cake batter. Add the butter first, butter and powdered sugar. Add the sugar. Add the sugar. Beat well. Here I cream the butter and the sugar. Now we'll add egg one by one. We need 4 eggs for the banana cake. Add 1 by 1 egg and beat well. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Or if you have banana essence, you add banana essence. 1 teaspoon of banana essence. And I am adding the milk also little by little to this. And beat well. Add the milk also little by little and beat well. Now preheat the oven for 10 minutes in 180 degrees. Now we'll clean the bananas and smash it and take. Now smash it like this from a fork. And here I smashed the all bananas. Now add to the cake batter. And add to the cake batter and beat for few seconds. Few seconds. Now enough, and now add the flour little by little and fold it. Fold it well and ready a tray. Put a line up from a oil paper, and this is a 12 by 10 inch tray. Once again for 1 minute beat from the beater. pour this batter to the baking tray. Now we'll pour this batter to this baking tray. Three banana also enough if your banana is big. For this other measurements, 3 banana is enough for this other. I gave that measurements. Bake this for in 180 degrees 14 to 45 minutes. In half an hour you check and see if that's one not been baked properly. You keep it for another few minutes. Tap like this and keep for bake this for 45 minutes. In between 45 minutes you check and see whether this one baked or not baked. If 45 minutes not enough, another few minutes keep and take. Here's my well baked banana cake. It took 50 minutes to bake this cake. This is a little bit of big cake. This is little bit of large cake. So it took 55 minutes to bake this banana cake. We'll keep to cool and we'll cut and see. This is very tasty and delicious. You also make and taste and see. Here we'll cut and see. Here very soft and tasty. Here very soft. You also make and taste and see. Thank you for watching.